Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're thrilled to present our top 9 deep learning books that every AI enthusiast should have on their shelf. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, these books offer valuable insights and practical knowledge to help you master the world of deep learning. Let's dive in. The first book on our list is Deep Learning with Python by Francois Chollet. This book is an essential read for anyone looking to get hands-on with deep learning. Written by the creator of curated, Francois Chollet, it's structured around practical code examples that guide you through the fundamentals of deep learning and how to implement them using Python. By the end, you'll be equipped with the skills to build your own deep learning models and understand the difference between deep learning and AI. Next, we have Deep Learning Illustrated by John Krohn, Grant Bayleveld, and Agli Bassins. This visually stunning book makes learning deep learning both intuitive and enjoyable. With full color figures and easy-to-follow code, it breaks down complex concepts into digestible pieces. Whether you're new to deep learning or looking to reinforce your understanding, this book offers a comprehensive introduction with a unique visual approach. Our third recommendation is Deep Learning from the Adaptive Computation and Machine Learning series, authored by Ian Goodfellow, Yoshua Bengio, and Aaron Corville. Known as the definitive text in the field, this book covers a broad range of topics in deep learning. From foundational concepts to the latest research perspectives, it's a must-read for anyone serious about mastering deep learning, offering deep insights into the mathematical and conceptual underpinnings of the technology. Moving on, we have Advanced Deep Learning with Python by Ivan Vasilev. This book is perfect for those ready to take their deep learning knowledge to the next level. It delves into advanced topics like neural networks, meta-learning, and graph neural networks, all within the Python ecosystem. It's designed to help you build faster and more robust models, making it an invaluable resource for advanced practitioners. Now, let's talk about Deep Learning for Coders with FOSS-TI and PyTorch by Jeremy Howard and Sylvain Gugger. This hands-on guide demystifies deep learning for programmers who may not have a strong math background. Using the FOSS-TI library, it allows you to train models with minimal code and data, making powerful AI accessible to everyone. It's a fantastic resource for coders looking to dive deeper into AI without needing a PhD. Another must-read is The Deep Learning Revolution by Terence J. Sanowski. This book tells the story of how deep learning evolved from an obscure academic pursuit to a disruptive force in the information economy. Sanowski, a pioneer in the field, provides a compelling narrative that explores the impact of deep learning on our lives and its potential to transform the future. If you're interested in the creative side of AI, you'll love Generative Deep Learning by David Foster. This book focuses on one of the hottest areas in AI, generative models. It teaches you how to use TensorFlow and Keras to build impressive models like GANs and transformers from scratch. It's a practical guide that opens up exciting possibilities for creating new data and applications. We also recommend Deep Reinforcement Learning Hands-On by Maxim Lapin. This book is a comprehensive guide to applying deep reinforcement learning in real-world scenarios. The new edition expands on advanced techniques and includes practical examples that show how to implement these methods using inexpensive hardware, making it a practical resource for both beginners and experienced developers. Last but not least, we have Deep Learning from Scratch, Building with Python from First Principles by Seth Weidman. This book is perfect for those who want to understand deep learning from the ground up. It takes a first principles approach, walking you through the basics of neural networks and how to build them from scratch using Python. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation and be ready to tackle more complex architectures. Thank you for watching our video on the top 9 deep learning books. You can find the links to each of these books in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support more content like this. For more in-depth information, visit our website at ai4work.com. See you in the next video.